Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. And today we're going to do an unboxing. We're going to try to do an unboxing because I actually have Bella hanging out in my craft room. So she might bark once in a while. So hopefully, yeah, she won't bark too loud. If not, I'm going to have to close the door, and I really don't want to do that. But anyway, okay, so this is from Dreamer Design. The unboxing that I did last time was huge, so I decided to do a medium size, okay? So this one is called Mystic Bear, and first time I saw this, I just thought it was just so beautiful. I love the colors on this one. Okay, so this is from a Dreamer Design. It just basically just says, scan me, redeem for 50% off. It says these are the features. Okay, it's legally licensed. It's a soft fabric canvas with port glue. It has lifetime warranty plus insurance and so on. And then in the back it tells you how it works. Okay, what's inside the kit. And yeah, so let's open this baby up. I hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday with family and friends. And yeah, so let's see. Now, all the Dreamer Design paintings come always in a reusable carry bag, which is pretty cool. Okay, and as you can see, it says Dreamer Design on them. Okay, so let's open this baby up. See, it is a small one. Oh, it's small / medium. It always comes with a purple ribbon. And let's see, we got the drills inside here. So, oh wow, look at the colors. And there goes the toolkit. And of course, just trying to get the sticker out of here. Here's the instructions. Okay, there it is. All right, so I'm gonna roll this back, put that aside. All right, so it does come with instructions how to diamond paint. Okay, step by step. Tips and tricks and so on, so we don't need that right now. These are the colors. Look at these colors, guys. They're all pastel colors. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's put that aside. All right, and this is the toolkit. It comes in also in a reusable toolkit bag. Love the purple color. All right, let's see what we have in here. And they're very generous. Oh, look at this. This is like a light purple. I don't have this one. It usually comes with a darker purple. Okay, so it comes with resealable bags just in case you're traveling and you don't have any containers with you. You could actually use the resealable bags. Okay, comes with 2 pens. Well, actually 3, well, not 2 pens. Okay, this is a single placer. And here it comes also with a straightener, so you can actually put this on the end of one of the pens. And it also has, I believe this is a 2 or a 3 multi-placer, and I think this is like a maybe 4 or 6, I'm not sure. It comes with 2 waxes, and this is for the pen. These are comfort grips. Let me see if I can slide one. Yep, there we go. It's supposed to help for comfort, help with your hands. Okay, and of course it also comes with tweezers, very sharp tweezers. And this is the tray. It's like a light pink color. Purple, very light. This is Dreamer Design. This is the stopper to prevent the drills from spilling out. Okay. And of course, this is a straightener. See? So, I mean, not a straightener, a separator. So just in case you want to pick 2 colors at the same time. Oh, I don't think I will use that, but okay. All right, let's see. But it does come handy. Okay. All right, so that's the toolkit. Now this is the sticker. And this, you could actually put this in your logbook. I love that it always comes with extra little stickers. You could decorate your logbook page. So yeah, it's called Mystic Bear by Parabel Visions /gratefullicensing.com. Here it tells you that it's a round. It tells you the size. You put the start date and the end date. And here more little stickers so you could decorate your logbook. Here are the pre-cut individual stickers for your containers. As you can see, it has 57 colors. All right, look at the picture. It's absolutely beautiful. Love the colors. All right, and here are the drills again. What I love about this It's that, as you can see, they come in these little baggies that you could actually leave them in here if you don't want to kit up. If you don't want to use other containers, you could actually leave the drills in the baggies. And I believe these are in order. Look at those colors. Lots of beautiful colors in here. Okay, so let's bring out the canvas. Now the canvas is very, very soft, which is very nice. It has scallop edges, it has the pinholes, and that's to prevent from the painting falling apart from fraying. Now I'm going to unroll it, and since it is poured glue, you could actually roll it back. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Wow, this is a good size, guys. Maybe a little small, maybe I like it a little, just a tiny bigger. And you guys know I love confetti. By the way, before I forget, you could actually select the size. On this one, either round or square. I selected a round. All right, so yeah, on this side, on the left hand side, it has a legend. All right, let me just open it up. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful it is, guys. All right, I'm trying to prevent all the glare. Is that good? Okay, it also has a legend on the right hand side. Now let's look up here. It says Mystic Bear. And it's by Parable Visions / GratefulLicensing.com. It is 60 by 40 centimeters, which is 23.6 inches by 15.7 inches. Okay, and then in the bottom, it just tells you about the lifetime warranty. All right, paint with passion in the middle. Here you have the socials, so you can find them with Dreamer Designs on YouTube, Facebook, into Instagram, and Pinterest. Okay, and then down here it says Dreamer Design. So now let's look at the legend. The legend has 3 rows. Okay, it tells you it has 57 colors, and if you look at the bottom, it tells you that it has 4 ABs. And AB just stands for Aurora Borealis, which just means that it's a drill with an extra shine to it. All right, and there's different signs, symbols. So it's got numbers, it's got alphabet, and so on. Now let's look at the beautiful painting. Oh my gosh. So what do we see? We see a very beautiful, I think it's a grizzly bear, I'm not sure. Very majestic bear, and very tranquil. I love the colors of this painting. He's drinking water from a very crystal clear pond. See, you can see. Yeah, I don't know if that's him. I think the bear can see his reflection. And he's surrounded by beautiful, soft, glowing flowers. Like up here, I'm not sure if those are the flowers or if that's the sky, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's got blues, it's got purples, it's got pinks. Yeah, it's very, very pastel. And of course, beautiful purple flowers over here and some over here. Okay, the bear seems very happy, very peaceful, very tranquil. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. By looking at it, it looks like it's definitely confetti heavy. Confetti meaning that there's a lot of colors and you're going to have to constantly change the drills, which I love. And color blocking, which I'm not seeing a lot, but here's a little example of color blocking. It's basically the same color concentrated in one area, and just means that you're not going to have to change the color a lot. A lot of people prefer color blocking and some prefer confetti. I prefer confetti. Yeah, I don't know why. It just seems like more fun for me to change the colors. Yeah, so I'm just going to bring it up so you can see how clear it is. There goes the bear. Look at the colors in the background, guys. Look at those colors. And then the flowers. The beautiful flowers. Actually, very, very, very beautiful. All right. Very peaceful. I think this is, I don't know, it's sort of, I think perfect maybe for the winter. I'm not sure, but yeah. All right, so let's put that aside. And I'm just going to bring out the ABs. Okay, so as you can see, you have lots of pinks, lots of blues, and lots of purples. All right, so the ABs should be at the back. Okay, should be 4. So far, so good, guys. She's not barking. Okay, let's see. I think that's it. 4, right? Yep. Sorry about the noise. All right, let's put that aside. So we have, this looks like it's a white. Actually, you know what? If I look at the, yeah, this tells me. Let's see, this one is AB08. It's like a white. It is a white. All right. Let me bring this a little closer so we can see the colors a little better. And that's an AB. We have 4 ABs. This one is AB208. It's a very pretty purple. This one is AB996. It's like a very pretty blue. Sort of like a turquoise. And this one is AB3609. Very pretty pink. All right, so now let's find where they belong in the painting. Okay, let's see. So this is going to be number 54, and the symbol is an O. All right, so it's going to be, I see it already, it's going to be on top around the bear. Oh, wait, the glare. Sorry. Is that better? Yeah. So it's going to be here. See that? It's around the bear, around the ear. And use some around on the other side of the ear. And yeah, that's about it. Because it's very little, as you can see. It's perfect, actually. Okay, the next one. This one is going to be symbol letter T. Okay, let's see. Is it up here? Yeah, it's like up here. Actually, I'm trying to see. I left my phone. I was going to show you the picture because sometimes that actually looks better. Yeah, but yeah, it's some back here in the background. Over here in the background. It's going to be scattered a little bit everywhere. Over here on the flowers. Over here on the flower. Over here again. So it's scattered. This was scattered, guys. Okay. The next one is this very pretty blue. And this is like a, it's like a triangle, but sideways triangle. Okay, so it's over here. This is going to be on the beautiful, on the water. Okay, I see it there. I see it here. All over in the water. I'm just checking to see if there's any up there. Nope. All right, so this looks like it's on the pond. Okay, and then the last one is this very pretty pink. And let's see. Okay, so you have it here, a little bit here. Let's see, should it be maybe on the, yep, is that it? No, that's not it. That's the, what I call a tree. Looks like a little tree. I'm trying to see if it's on top of the bear. There's a lot of pink. It's up here. It's again in the background. If you hear that noise in the background, that's Bella. Okay, some over here. She's playing with her favorite toy. Okay, I think it's perfect. You know, you don't want to overdo it with the bling. But if you want to add more, sure, why not? I think it's perfect. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this beautiful painting. And yeah, because sometimes, you know, we work on huge paintings, but sometimes we work on more than one painting. Like I am actually working on 3 paintings right now. And sometimes you want to take a break from a big one and work on a smaller one. Why not? And this is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. And yeah, and also, I believe tomorrow is Veterans Day. So yeah, have a wonderful Veterans Day with family and friends. And thank you very much. Take it easy. Bye-bye.